Hey guys, Kendall here. Thank you for stopping by. And today I'm going to be talking about something that I found really special, and I think that you'll find it something that will be very important to you as well. Before that, click the link below, and I'm going to be giving you some special bonuses as well. Now let's jump into the demo.
Introducing the Emergency Income Kit, your ultimate solution for financial security during unexpected times. This comprehensive package is designed to help individuals and families maintain their income when emergencies strike. With a blend of practical resources and expert guidance, the kit provides step-by-step instructions to secure alternative income streams. It includes valuable tools for freelancers, entrepreneurs, and anyone looking to navigate job uncertainty. Imagine having a roadmap to sustain your livelihood, even when the unexpected happens. Whether you face a sudden job loss or a downturn in business, the Emergency Income Kit empowers you to take control of your financial future. Don't wait for a crisis to prepare. Invest in peace of mind today with this all-in-one resource. Protect yourself and your loved ones by ensuring you're ready for whatever comes your way.
If you're watching this video, don't forget to pick up the bonuses after you purchase. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.